Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. I'm going to do some cash stuffing. If you're a cash stuffer, budgeter, this video is just for you. Today I'm going to work on my Black History Saving Challenges. This is a collab that I'm doing with T is a Saver. If you're not subscribed to T, make sure you subscribe to her channel and support her. Trying to help her grow her channel. And you can get these freebies in her Ko-Fi shop or my Ko-Fi shop. Totally up to you. And I have T information in the description. So I'm going to work with 3 of the challenges today. And I want to try something different. It's something I have never done before, but I've seen several others have done it. So this is one of the challenges. And here are the other 2. And then I do have the trivia. I'm not going to do the trivia, but this is a trivia, so you will receive this as well. So make sure you check out T is a Saver, check her Ko-Fi shop as well as mine to get you some saving challenges. Now, she has saving challenges that's made for A5 cash envelope system. So if you need a larger challenge, she does have those. Alright. So, like I said, I'm going to try something new for me today because I have several dice that I want to use. Like I said, I've seen fellow cash stuffers done this before, but I want to try it. Money up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let's see. Should I add something else? 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and I guess I add some ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I will be saving $36 today towards this, but let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 2, 4, 6. Yep, so it's $36. Alright, just make sure that I had the right amount. This is what I budget to go towards Black History Month today. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use all of this dice. Like I said, this is something new for me. I've seen others do this before, and I want to try it out. Something different to make it fun. And I see. So I guess if the small dice land on that color, that will determine which one I need to cash stuff. And then my 3-sided dice will let me know which one to cash stuff it to. So let me go ahead and shake. Alright, so let's see. So I have to cash stuff $1, and let's see which challenge that I need to apply it to. Alright, so we'll go to the 3rd challenge. Let me go ahead and shake these dice up again and see where I go. Which one I have to do this time. Alright, so let's see what colors. I got purple. So I would need to cash stuff $4. And let me roll the 3-sided dice to see which one I need to apply it to. Alright, so $4 will go to, it landed on 2. So I'll go to the 2nd challenge. Alright, so let me shake these dice up again. Now I'm thinking I need to go ahead and get me a dice tower. Especially if I'm going to use all of these dice. Alright, so it landed on turquoise. So I need to cash stuff $6. Alright, let me roll my 3-sided dice to see. Alright, so this goes to the second one. Hopefully the first one gets some money. Alright, let's see. I had turquoise again, so I have to catch the $5, and that's gonna go to the first challenge. So finally the first challenge got something. Alright, let's see what I got. I got pink, so I have to catch the $5 and it landed on 1. Wow, so 1 is getting there now. So I'm just glad all the challenges got something, and each will be like $2 each. Alright, I'm not sure if my dice roller will be able to shake all these up. I'm gonna have to test it. If not, I'm gonna have to get my tower. Alright, so I got green, so I got to catch the $5. Do I have $5 left? Let's see. It's crazy because it's like the first one getting all the money now. Let's go ahead and shake this again. And let's see what we can do. Will it be number 1 again this time? What you think? Alright, so I got black, 5, and 1 again. Wow, 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 wow. There's just me. 1 is the magic number. There's just me. 1 is the magic number. Have you listened to Jill Scott's new album? I love Pressure on her new album. I have to really listen to it and learn the music. Alright, so I got live. This is my first time getting live, guys. And number 3 is getting the money this time. So 1 is not the magic number. Alright, let's go. Rolling. Rolling. Oh, what's gonna get it this time? Alright, so number 2 is getting $3. Alright. This was fun. I absolutely like doing this. And I'm gonna have to test it out in my dice roller to see how it does with all of these dice in that big one. And I might have to invest in getting me a dice tower, because I don't have a dice tower. Alright, so let's see how much I can apply to each of the challenges. Let me sort this money down. It's crazy because I remember 1 wasn't getting any money, and now it looks like it got most of the money. Alright, and let's go ahead and count this up, and it'll be $2 each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. Wow. Alright, so let me get my dollar marker. I wasn't expecting all that. Number 1 got a whole lot. So I'm close to halfway done with the first one so far. Can't wait to see the progress of the other challenges. Alright, let's see how much I saved for this one. Let me go ahead and sort it up. Alright, so for this one, I saved. So I got 3 ones. So that's 3 here. Alright, let's 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So I saved $13 with this one. Alright, so let me mark. I'm gonna mark 12 for this, because I don't want to owl you, and I'm doing $2 for each icon. And so anything that I have left over will go towards my 100 envelope challenge that's in my budget planner. So that dollar will go to that, because I don't want to do any IOUs. And that's something I started doing last week. So to avoid IOUs If I can't meet that amount, I would place the remaining balance towards the 100 envelope. Alright, so now let's get to the third one to see how I did. Alright, so for this one, I saved $3. And like this one, I can only do $2 each, so I'm going to have to allocate $1 towards the 100 envelope challenge. So I cannot wait to see how much it comes to once I complete the 100 envelope, because I didn't want to commit to doing the 100 envelope solely by itself, but by just leaving the money that's left over from challenges and then just reallocating to it, I'm really not committing to it, just what's left over. So I cannot wait to see how much I save once I get to the 100 envelope for that. Alright, so let me place these back in the binder, and then I'm going to get my budget planner and the cash envelope system where I'm saving the money that's left over. Alright, so I will be able to add $2. Let me get to that savings challenge so I can mark the $2 on it. Alright, here we go, right here. So I can add the $2 to this. And let me just mark that there. Alright, and now I'm trying to decide, should I make a note in my budget planner of what happened so I can remember, because this is something I'm doing new, so I probably should make some type of notation for it. Because I don't know about you, when I try to start something new, I could forget what I've been doing or what I had planned on doing. So what have worked for me lately is just writing down some notes so I can remember. Because like this is just totally new to me doing it like this. Alright, so let me add the $2 to the binder. And that's basically it, besties. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me in today's cash stuffing. Make sure you check out Tia the Saver. Her information will be in the descriptions. Please support her. And let's help her get to 400 this month. Alright, bestie. Toodles.